Get at me then. Get happy then. Don't leave, bitch, leave, go be happy then. I couldn't ask you 10. It's Harvey. It's smoke, get at me then. When I leave, bitch, leave, go be happy then. I was down, niggas fake, I couldn't ask for 10. Now I'm straight, all I know is bring that bag in. Rich nigga, but I'm still around them savages. Bitch nigga, you ain't never let that ratchet hit. My kids no cheat.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we will be working on the Z again. So today I got a GK Tech angle kit for the Z, and it's the bolt-on angle kit. So let me show you guys what it looks like. And it's actually a pretty affordable angle kit. Without spending too much, you can get like up to 60 degrees of angle, I believe. So yeah, let me show you guys the angle kit right here. Alright, and I ordered this about last week. I think I got it a little bit earlier this week. So this comes with the angle kit here. So this is what it looks like, and it's pretty simple. It's like a bolt-on angle kit, nothing too crazy. You don't have to do anything to the arms. Comes with some tie rod extenders. I think these two are the different sizes from these two. So also comes with these dust boots, which you don't have to use, but it is optional. The reason why I'm getting this is because the stock angle on the Z is pretty bad. Let me show you guys right now. Let me turn on the car and I'll show you guys how limited the angle is on the stock chassis, or with the stock arms and everything. So this will definitely help when you're drifting and everything, or even like backing out of parking spots. It'll just give you a little bit more angle, so you don't have to make like any 3-point turns or anything too. So it's definitely going to be useful for daily driving. And yeah, let's show you guys right now the stock angle. It's pretty trash though. If you guys own a Z, you guys might know, like S14s have a lot more angle already. Like all 240s, I think, they have like a lot more angle than Zs. So that kind of sucks. But we're gonna be fixing that today. Okay, and I haven't really started the car in a minute. I didn't drive it for like 2 days. So we'll see if it's still cool. Perfect, starts up every time. Alright, and we're gonna turn the wheel here all the way, and this is how much angle we have with the stock. This is basically stock everything. This is how much angle you get. Oh shit, there's like a tiny spider right there. Kill that bitch. Alright, so yeah, this is the stock angle right here. The camber actually zeroes out. I don't know. Like I'll show you. I'll try to show you guys right here. As you can see, the camber zeroes out at full lock on my setup, and this is with the stock angle with just control arms at the top, and it's actually not too much if you look at it from up here. Not too much angle. And here's the other side. Yeah, so you guys could tell it's definitely not a lot. I'll give you guys a front view too. So yeah, definitely not a lot of angle on the stock Z, but the clearance on this one is pretty good still. I think that if we do add more angle, we'll still have a lot more room in here to play with, so we should be good. So basically we had to get that cotter pin off of this piece right here, and now we're just gonna zap the nut off, and then we should be able to spin the tie rod out, and then we're gonna go ahead and install the angle kit. So yeah. Alright guys, so we finally got the tie rod off right there, and the trick is to actually use a metal hammer, not a rubber one, and then make sure this is pretty weighted, and then you should just be able to give it a couple taps, and then it should come right off. And also PB Blaster does work on any suspension parts. If you have any seized nuts or anything, this will loosen them up a lot, and this definitely helps. Every time you work on suspension, I always use this, so I definitely recommend this as well. Alright, now that we've got it hand tight, let me show you guys what it looks like right now. So this is what we got so far. We just had to hand tight this bolt right here, and then we just put the lock stop bolts back right here, and now we're gonna move on to the next steps. Alright, we're gonna torque the bottom now. So we're gonna torque that one to 62 foot-pounds. I need an extender though. Alright guys, we just tightened everything up. Now we're just putting the tie rod extension back, and now we're just connecting it on both sides here. It should thread in on both sides. We're using the longer one that GK Tech provided us, but it may vary depending on what your setup is. So it comes with two tie rod extenders, a short one and a long one, and it's up to you, but we're using the longer one. So yeah, and make sure the threads are all the way at the end so we have even space on both sides to thread it all the way. Make sure that the bearing you're putting in right here is not touching anything, so just make sure it's straight. And now that the angle kit's finally on, we can finally bolt everything up and tighten everything, and then we'll work on the other side, and then we'll show you guys how much angle it actually gives you. So to be honest, the install was probably like 4 out of 10 or 5 out of 10. Nothing too difficult, but definitely if you're not experienced, don't try it. I'm not really experienced, but you know. Yeah guys, we got hella angle now, and it's a lot easier to turn the wheel. That's what it said online too, so they're actually not lying about this kit. Holy shit. It was pretty easy to install too. But look at that angle, guys. What the fuck? That's hella, bruh. You guys see that? That's just with that kit. I don't have anything else except for upper control arms. Check for clearance here, guys. We're not hitting shit. Look, we don't hit anything. Look. So let's give you guys an angle up here. Check for clearance and everything. It doesn't really hit anything, so we should be good. The wheel doesn't hit. Nothing hits. Either. Dude, this kit is perfect. Look. Alright, Jericho and Bila just pulled up. I think Kyla's doing homework. But Jericho is about to fix his seat, I think. You're fixing the seat, right? What? Fixing the seat? Victor's installing his coils here.
Here?
Mm-hmm.
I got a dude coming too from here.
For what?
My work spell.
He's coming now?
Bro?
I thought he's from San Jose.
I woke up late on him, bro.
He's coming here?
Yeah. Because my cousin went to go check out this morning, and then I just fell back asleep.
Damn, guys, we just got it tuned too. Check out the last video if you missed it. You know what I'm saying? We still gotta work on this side though. Should be pretty easy now that I know what to do, so let's get started. I'm pretty excited about this actually.
You didn't install it yet?
On one side, I'm doing this now.
Alright guys, so Chris is gonna check the alignment if it's messed up. It looks like it's really bad right now. And put it straight. Put the wheel straight. No, yours. Is that straight? So it's straight. His wheel is straight. His wheel is straight though. But look at his thing. His wheel. Yeah, it's bad, dude. Well, you got angle though. That's clean. Not more angle than me. Sorry, brother.
Well, I can't even drive it like this. It's fucked up.
The drive weird.
Alright guys, finally dialed in the angle on it. Nice. That's perfect, right?
It's hella easy because the fucking the car is up, not on the floor, dude.
Go see when you.
Alright, when that's on the floor, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Victor, tell him what you want to do today.
I'm trying to jerk his car.
That's what I did to him last night. That's why he tapped out last night.
What the
I
fuck?
him last night and he felt good, so he just knocked out.
Yeah, guys. Pause.
I got this.
Yeah, Victor finally got them, and they are extreme, as you can see.
It's just kicking in because it's nothing. That rack was nothing to you, huh?
God, bro. It's fucking secure in this box.
I know it's
Just
safe.
something that's $1,000 that I could never touch.
Mr. Bag said that. Mr. Alright guys. So the wheel is not straight. This is when it's straight. But we adjusted the tie rods so that we don't have like a fucked up alignment. So I can still drive this to the alignment shop, hopefully.
I look like a drifter, bro.
Hell yeah. You finna get that seat?
Hell
You looking
no.
hella sick in that. What the fuck?
Yeah, you look like you fit it.
Yeah.
Damn, look at that fitment though, it clears. Turn it all the way to the other side. Damn, boy. Like that, that's straight.
Why you got a Vertex sticker on your Guardian?
Because of this.
Oh. This ricer part?
Vertex boys right there,
and
secret mod.
You're missing like a fucking screw here. This just
Nah, that shit don't fit, that's why. It doesn't
Why?
fit. Cause this is too thick.
Hey, fuck off of my car.
You know why? The Z is too thick, that's why. This is too thick right here.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
And he has no horn either.
It's a drift car, bro. You don't need horn. You don't need a horn, shit. Look at TJ, bro. First time on the vlog in a while, huh? This guy's busy boy now.
Damn, that's clean.
Yeah, TJ. Look at the fit though. Woo! Feel me?
Just got up from the bed. I'm tired. No, I'm just hungry.
Oh, yeah, it's all good. It's all good, bro. Here too. She got the nice sweater on too. Look, wait. Show him the sweater. Show him the sweater. Clean. And now we got Victor here, about to put on the coils. I think he's ready, man. Victor fucking balled out. Look at this. Brand new. Brand new. And now he's trying to get the upper control arm out. I got this strut out. The rears are so easy on this car. It's hella nice. But then we still have to take out this spring, but we're gonna throw this in first. So yeah. We have to take this fucking motherfucker, dude. It's on, boy. It's on. You can't even focus that shit. Shit boof. Alright guys, unfortunately we were not able to finish Victor's coilovers today. The fronts were having a little bit of an issue taking out the front struts, but the rears are actually already done. So we already got the rears done. I'm not gonna jack down the car yet. We're just gonna leave the car here overnight, and then you guys will see in the next video we'll continue the coilover install. So stay tuned for the next video. We will be slamming Victor's car. Today you guys got a little sneak peek of it, but this was actually like another video, so we're just gonna make another video out of that. And if you did enjoy today's video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe down below. Yeah, stay tuned for that. See you guys in the next one. Peace.
You come too close to my family, you might not step again. Let me tell you now, I'm all about my dividends. My brother told me I didn't get allowed too many years. I keep the smile on me, but I done shed so many tears. You make that move and you may never see these streets again. I lost some niggas in these streets and they can't see me win.